Hello everyone, this is Vince. Hello for today. This is a special lesson for today, minasan, because this is not included in our usual. Though this is, although this is in a way connected to our usual lessons, but these are rather supplemental topics, and here are, should I, if I may say, fundamental concepts for those who are newcomers, and will also serve as a refresher course for those who still cannot catch up with our intermediate level lesson. So let's take a look back. I promise this will be a very fast lesson, minasan. This is less than 10 minutes in duration. So dewa, hajimete ikimashou. Very well done. Let's begin, everyone. So here are the most common verbs used in Japan, or rather in your everyday lives, but in Nihongo or Japanese language. So first column is the English translation, and we have the romaji in second column, and we have the kanji okorigana combination in the third column, and in the fourth column or rightmost column is the kana writing. So let's begin. So number one is see, look. That's miru. Well, again, the most easiest is the rightmost column or the fourth column, which is simply the kana writing, and the second column, which is the romaji miru. So the leftmost column or first column is the English. Okay, see, look, watch, miru. And we have here listen, kiku, listen, kiku. Then we have say, you. Okay, and we have walk. The very first thing that a baby or a toddler will learn in his or her life is how to walk and say some things, and even a baby can hear voices. Okay, walk, aruku, say, you. Okay, run, hashiru, run. Eat, taberu, drink, nomu. Take, toru. Or could also be oketoru or toru, take. Okay, use, scout, use. Okay, and then we have move, ugoku. This is an intransitive verb, move, ugoku. Okay, hold or grab, tsukamu, grab. And we have sit, suwaru, or suwatte kudasai, please take your seat. Or osuwari kudasai, please take a seat, suwaru. Stand, tatsu. Wear, kiru, wear. And we have here take off, as in take off clothes, nugu. And we have here work as in the work per se in your job, hataraku, or currently working, hatarateimasu. Hataraku. Dictionary form is hataraku. Wake up. The first thing that you will do every day, wake up. Okiru. That's why your mother will probably say, okinasai, wake up. Go, iku, come, kuru. And of course, if you leave the house and expected to come back, and expected that you will come back, you say ittikimasu. Bend, magaru. And this is an intransitive verb, magaru. Search, sagasu. That is search, sagasu. Okay, and we have here read, yomu, read. Play, asobu, play. And we have here get on the vehicle, noru, noru. But how about train transfer? Train transfer is norikae, norikae. How about alighting off the vehicle, getting off the vehicle, or disembark from a vehicle? Oriru, 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 or gesha, gesha, or oriru. But gesha is a higher level vocabulary for alighting a vehicle, alighting from a vehicle, getting off from a vehicle, or disembark. About start, hajimeru, hajimeru, hajimeru. Finish, oeru, oeru. Say, finish your homework, shukudai wo oete, shukudai wo oete kudasai. Oeru, oete. Open, akeru, open, akeru. Say, open the window, mado wo akete kudasai. Let's say, close the window, shimeru, shimeru. Please close the window, mado wo shimete kudasai. Say, stop, tomeru, stop, tomeru. But this is tomeru is a transitive verb. The intransitive verb for stop is tomaru, tomaru. Let's say the vehicle stop. 車が止まったんだ。車が止まったんだ。or 車が止まって。or put 置く。or let's say please put that on the table. それをテーブルに置いてください。Okay. Say wait, wait, 待つ wait. Say please for a while please wait. しばらくお待ちください。wait 待つ。rest 休む。as in おやすみなさい。as in good night. learn 学ぶ。学ぶ learn. How about this? give 与える。与える give 与える。visit 訪れる。訪れる let's say pay a visit at your friend that is in hospital. 訪れる。訪れる How about this? leave 去る。去る leave. depart 出発。出発 or 出発する leave. arrive 到着する let's say arrived at Narita, arrived at Haneda Airport. 羽田空港に到着しました。到着する Okay. sell 売る buy 買う live 生きる die 死ぬ Okay. So that's all for now, minasan. This is just a fast lesson, and as I have said, this is just less than 10 minutes, and I thank you, minasan, for watching until the end. それでは皆さんご覧いただきありがとうございました。最後まで見てくれて本当にありがとう。and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. それでは皆さんチャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。それからいいねボタンを押してチャンネル登録ありがとうお願いします。ありがとうございました。それでは皆さんVery well then, I'll see you in the next topic. ありがとう皆さん。バイバーイ。